Today we are going to learn neither nor. It is a coordinate conjunction or alternate conjunction. It gives us negative meaning. And it is used in meaning of negative words. Neither nor indicates alternate conjunction. It gives us negative meaning. For example, we may take model 1 different subjects. Rama is not there, Rahim is not there. Rama is subject, Rahim is subject. We have to separate what is common word, what is uncommon word. Here common words are is there or is not there, is not there. Uncommon words is not there, is not there. These are common words. Before one uncommon word, we should use neither. Rama is uncommon word and Rahim is also uncommon word. Before uncommon word, we have used nor. Here neither. Remaining words, what are those? Is not there, is not there. The meaning of not is given here. Neither nor. The meaning is equal to not. Then we should avoid not. One is neither, second one is not. Remaining common words is there. Remaining common words are is there. I have written here. This is the answer. Neither Rama nor Rahim is there. So based on second, either noun or pronoun, we should take helping verb. If it is singular, helping verb is singular. The noun or pronoun plural, helping verb should be plural. We should remind this is very important. Don't depending on first one. We have to take second one. Based on second one, we have to use singular or plural. Now second example, Rama is not there, his friends are not there. Here singular subject, here plural subjects. Then answer, neither Rama. Rama is uncommon word, first one. And we should write nor, his friends. This is uncommon word, his friends. Remaining words are is not there, are not there. Based on second one, we have to use plural helping verb. There is common word. Then answer, neither Rama nor his friends are there. Here agreement between subject and helping verb based on second one. Don't take this one. Based on second one only, we have to use either singular or plural. And model two different subject complements. He is not a doctor, he is not a teacher. So the meaning is coming from subject. So that it is a subject complement. Here a teacher is also subject complement. Okay. See here, it is uncommon word, it is one uncommon word. Before one uncommon word, we have applied neither. Another uncommon word, a teacher, before that nor. Then answer is, he is neither a doctor nor a teacher. Next, model 3. Now different verbs. I am not writing, I am not reading. See, writing and reading uncommon words. I am is common word in this sentence and in this sentence. Then we have to write only one time. I am. Before one uncommon word, we should apply neither. Before uncommon word, we should apply nor. See, before one uncommon word, we should apply neither. Before another uncommon word, we should apply nor. Now, second example, based on simple present tense. I do not write, I do not read. We are using do not in simple present tense. Then, in the place of not, we have written neither. In the other place, not is written as nor. Do not represent simple present tense. Do not represent simple present tense. Then answer is, I neither write nor read. Either do not or does not. Whenever you find in neither nor usages, either do not or does not represent V1 only. If you find do not, V1. If you find does not, V plus S, ES, IS. Either E, see it. Then answer, verb should be taken SR, ES or IES. Third one, I did not write, I did not read. Did not plus V1 represent simple past tense. Then I neither. Did not plus V1. See, did not plus V1. Did not plus V1. In the answer we have to write V2. Then answer is, I neither wrote nor read. Here spelling is same, verb form is V2. Now 3 examples are given. First one, I have no pen, I have no book. Here uncommon words are pen and book. I have no common words. In the place of no, we have written neither. In the place of no, we have written nor. Then common words are I have. Before uncommon word, we have written neither. Another uncommon word, before that we have written nor. Then answer is, I have neither a pen nor a book. Here singular, it is also singular. Then we may use a. Second one, they have not asked a book. They have not given a book. In this sentence, they have common words. They have common words. We have written one time. In the place of not, we have written either. This is one uncommon word. Asked a book. Before one uncommon words, we have written or given a pen. Then answer, they have neither asked a book nor given a pen. Here helping verb and object are different. Third one, he does not write, he does not read. Based on simple present tense, third person singular number takes S or ES or IES. Then answer, he is common word. Does is also some common word. Then you may write he neither writes nor reads. Otherwise you may write he does neither write nor read. Okay, of these we have to give preference this one only.